Stop letting your emails get lost in the digital noise. Let's unlock the power of personalized communication by creating stunning newsletters directly within HubSpot. First, in your HubSpot account, navigate to the Marketing drop-down menu at the top. Select Email to access the email dashboard. This is where all the magic will happen. Now click the prominent Create Email button. You'll be presented with options. Choose regular email to craft a standard newsletter, perfect for announcements, updates, and valuable content. Explore HubSpot's template library. Pick a template that aligns with your brand and the message you want to convey. You can filter by type, like newsletter or promotional. To narrow your search, don't be afraid to preview them. Once you've selected a template, it's time to customize. Use the drag-and-drop editor to add your logo, write compelling headlines, insert engaging images, and craft informative body text. Think of your newsletter like a story that the reader needs to enjoy. Head over to the Settings tab here. You'll define your email's subject line. Make it catchy. And configure the sender name and email address. The pre-header text is the snippet of text that is under the subject line. Make it count. Now, select your recipients. Choose a pre-existing contact list or segment your audience based on specific criteria like demographics, interests, or past interactions. Segmentation ensures that your message resonates. Before sending, preview your newsletter on different devices using the preview option in the Review tab. Send a test email to yourself to catch any last-minute errors and ensure everything looks perfect. After sending, monitor your newsletter's performance in HubSpot's Analytics dashboard. Track open rates, click-through rates, and other key metrics to understand what resonated with your audience and optimize your future campaigns.